So he's a professional
dancer,
photographer,
belly
dancer. There they are. He has a 2 girlfriend, but he is not telling to anyone.
Hey, don't tell him. He'll post that.
What the fuck, bro? See, these people are. See, bro,
Hey, don't shoot,
they are using weeds and all, bro. If you get rejected from anyone, you can come here and you can literally jump off from here. Okay guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are seeing how Nikhil is being there. Okay guys, right now the time is 9 o'clock and we are leaving this place. And if you see here, we got this stone, and actually it has a place to go inside also, but people are using this place for a smoking and drinking place.
Also for kissing place.
But it is really good also, like if you go inside you can literally see. They are using for fire camps and all. And if you see here, all beer, quarter balls, all bottles only, bro. But I don't know what and all they are doing here. Only Nikhil bro knows. Only even Nikhil also will come, no, here. He will go to Oyo only. Oyo. Hey, you don't know, right? Nikhil is a regular customer for Oyo. Because of him only Oyo business is also going on. If he is not there, then how Oyo will survive? And guys, from here if you want to see the view, no? So this is how it looks. So all the side we have a mountains, and if you see from here we have a resort that is called Harsley resort, or it is also recognized as a tourism place, but we don't see any tourists because like this is a Sunday, so many people should come, but I don't see many people. Only most of the people are coming and taking a photo and they are leaving. And if you see from there, no, all mountains only we are having.
We are in Andhra Pradesh.
And yes, we are in Andhra Pradesh, AP. Guys, if you see in Harry Potter, there's a big tree which shakes and which holds the car, right? So we found that tree here also. Okay guys, now we are in Windwave restaurant, where you can see there, and they also have a party hall, food cottages, luxury suites and all. And we came in a bike and our bike is parked there, and we will see what and all we can see here. And this restaurant, no, it has a beautiful views, and if you see from here, all it has done by woods and all. So the homestays and all is made up from woods, and it is really good. And we are planning to take a home here for one day. And we will see if Nikhil sponsors, we are staying here for one day. Yes, no, bro?
If you become a big YouTuber, means you can stay.
Bro, you are insulting, bro. No. I will become, not suddenly, but I will become one day.
You will become, that time you will come.
Where?
We can go anywhere, US, outer.
See guys.
What you see, I in that.
Bro, actually, there's a police and all in the restaurant. So, we don't want to take risk, because I just have 115 subscribers, bro. If I go inside, they're gonna kick me out only. So I should get more subscribers. So what you should do, you should go to my channel and you should subscribe. Oh my god, this is KA symbol, bro. This is from Karnataka. Oh, actually we came in that bike. That is our bike, and we don't even know whose car it is. This is our bike, but this is from Tamil Nadu, and this is how it looks. And there's one more bike is also there, but actually I told him, no, I told you guys that one guy, he left from here, and yeah, he actually went to check out some restaurant to eat, and we will see. Actually we called him and he is coming, and once he come here, and I will show you. Okay guys, now we are opposite to HarsleyHill Township Committee, you can see here, but it is actually closed. So if you see here, no, like we got, I don't know what is this. Okay, let me just see. Oh, it is an umbrella, bro. I thought it is like some radar signal where it sends the signals right from here to satellite. That is what I thought. And if you see opposite to this only, we have our resort, so where we are staying, and we have parked here. Start, bro. Then slowly, first gear.
Neutral.
First gear. Slowly release this. Slowly, bro. Slowly, bro. Slowly. Slow release ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you need to raise it. ಅದು raise ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Slowly. Then raise it. Go full fast. Go bro. Okay guys, and now we are in HarsleyHill Zoo Park. So per person they are taking 20 rupees for entry, and if you want to do any boatings and all, so they are charging 50 rupees per person, and we wanted to try. So once you enter inside, you will be having all the animals. It is like a zoo kind only. So from there you will be having all the animals. So hi, you will not bite, right?
Won't bite.
But I think this ostrich is... How much they have? Only 3, yeah? 3 ostrich. Hey bro, see, it has even baby also. Baby ostrich.
Baby, wow.
Baby ostrich. Hey.
Don't touch it, baby. Can not rat. See.
Hey, that is not rat. Yelka kind. What the fuck it is doing, no?
Hey, give some privacy for them.
I got you, homie.
That is. And they have rabbits also, bro. Hey. Hi. So there we have a kids play station, and you can play. And here also we have a nature exhibition, and there we have boating. Okay guys, the tree what you have seen there, no, it is 164 years old, and it is fantastic. 164 years staying in this nature, and humans are protecting that. It is like, just to hear that, it is only fantastic, and we can able to see this kind of beautiful natures, and you need to explore, guys, and that time only you will get to know what and all we have. So if you see from here, they have a photo view there. So if anyone want to take a photo like I love HarsleyHill and I love forest, they can take here. Okay guys, now we are about to see the crocodiles in water. So I'm so excited, and after this we are going to boating, and we have a museum here, so we will go and visit there. So guys, actually the crocodile is not moving, so we are planning to throw some stones. That content I missed, bro. Oh. Guys, actually we are thinking that crocodile was a lubber one, but it is not a lubber crocodile. It is actually original crocodile. It is not even shaking, but we tried to put some sticks on them, no, and it was moving. So on that time we got the confirmation that it is real crocodile. So guys, actually we came to see this Manasa Sarovara. So actually I told you, there's a boating also available here. That is the Manasa Sarovara board what they have. I'll just show you from here. And the Manasa Sarovara just looks very small, bro. Just see here. It is like a man-made, I guess. From here to there, they just connected some pipes here, and that water is going there. And there they are just charging for 50 rupees, bro. That too for one time. And me and my friend thought it is not worth it, so we skipped this part. So guys, actually we have seen one place where the gate is opened, but we don't know whether there is an animal or not. If you can able to see that there is a open door, and we are trying to enter inside, but we don't know what is there inside, and we will see. But I don't think, bro, it's just kind of like old, abandoned, I don't know, it looks something like old abandoned park or some shop kind of thing, because I can see some literally eating bottles, chips packets and everything. It is okay, but what I thought, like here also there will be some animals, so but nothing is there, it is good only. I will see there.